Oh no, we're stuck on a desert island.
Man up, Timothy. You certainly need to, cause I might end up eating you if you stay too wimpy for my liking.
I'm sorry, Ralph. I know, let's call for help.
Calling for help is too wimpy-ish. I know, let's build a raft.
That's a rather tough job, Ralph. I can't do that. I know, let's draw pictures of our mummies in the sand.
What is wrong with you, Timothy? I know, let's dig a hole to the other side of the world and climb out there.
It sounds so difficult for us, Ralph, and we don't even have shovels.
We don't need shovels. We use our hands like real men.
I know, let's end the video.
I'll get you.